Good morning. It is Saturday, October 5, 2013. I am in Hill City, the heart of the Black Hills, who have become White Hills due to a blizzard that has been striking this area since late Thursday evening. During 24 hours it had not stopped snowing. Now the sun is shining. It's still freezing, fucking freezing cold. We are stuck in the hotel, no electricity, no internet, no heating, no food. But we'll survive. That's what life is all about, traveling one big, great adventure. From the heat in the desert of Nevada to the cold hills in South Dakota, USA. We'll see you when we'll see you. Bye.